Hey you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get your knots perfectly bleached like this. And today we're going to be using a HD frontal from my brand SEVYNX. Our high quality lace gives a natural and effortless look that can be worn in unlimited styles. And for today's tutorial, this is all of the tools and products that you would need to achieve this look. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I do not measure anything. I just eyeball until I see that consistency that I want. And now I'm just going in with some 30 volume developer with my BW2 powder. And this is it. This gets my lace like scalp every single time. And you don't need too much. No, seriously, it's a brass corrector. And I feel like it do a little extra something because it gets my knots right every single time. And if you follow my tutorial step by step, your lace will look like scalp. Like I said, I don't measure anything. I just eyeball it, and I did add a little bit more of the powder just to get that right consistency that I'm looking for. Consistency that I'm looking for is like icing. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too loose. So this is the texture that we are going for. Take your time and mix everything until you get that cake icing consistency. And now I'm going to go on with my brush. I usually use this or a spoon, but use whichever one you're comfortable with. Find the brush or the spoon to have like a smoother spread onto the lace. Please take your time applying the mixture onto your lace. We don't want any accidents. When I apply on my frontal, I start from the front and I work my way to the back and I apply everywhere. When it comes to a closure, I would apply the mixture where it's needed. So like on the part and on the front, so you don't have to use so much product because baby product is hot right now. And this part is sped up, but like I said, please take your time when applying it to your lace. When applying your mixture to your lace, you want to apply thin layers like you're painting a picture. I usually apply a thick layer at the top by the hairline, and then I will go in and spread it down thinly going towards the end of my lace. So I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes, and in between those 30 minutes I do come in and I check my lace to see how everything looking, because we don't want to overdo anything. And after those 30 minutes I'm going to go in with some hot water. Some people use warm water. I just prefer to use hot water. Now I'm just going in to make sure I got all of the bleach out of my lace, because you do not want any of that left behind. And after all that, this is how your lace should look, this brassy, orangey looking color. Now I'm going to go in with some of this blue shampoo. You can also use Shimmer Lights. Found this on Amazon and I decided to try it. I actually like it better than Shimmer Lights, but they both are great products. And you're going to want to scrub the shampoo all through your lace, because we do not want no brassy, Cheeto looking lace. We want to have scalp growing out of our head. This is how it should look after you scrub it through your lace. Set this to the side and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. And now we're just going to rinse it out so we can get that scalp look. And just look how perfect my lace came out. I'm telling y'all, this method works every single time. Just look at the inside. Scalp. All of the products that I've used in my video, I'm going to have a link below on my Amazon storefront. And when y'all try out my tutorial, please tag me in your videos. I'm going to have all of my social media handles linked down below. This is how the lace looks dry, and I have way more videos on the way, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe.